Okay.
Come on.
Alright. Alright. I have a blank pause so I know. This is where you'll make the cut, Jesse. Future Jesse. This is where you'll make the cut. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing an unboxing of my new Smittybilt X2O waterproof winch. I'm going to be going over each individual component that's inside of the box, and there's going to be an install video later on that's going to be coming out, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, we're just going to be going over the basic stuff that's here inside of this box. So let's get started. So why did I go with Smittybilt? The last winch I had was a Rugged Ridge. It was an 8,500 pound winch. It had similar features, a metal cable, and a similar 6.6 horsepower motor. But unlike the Rugged Ridge, the Smittybilt, the solenoid box is fully submersible. So you're able to actually operate this winch in wet conditions. You don't have to worry about the risk of the box shorting out in heavy storms, or if you're in 4 feet of mud. On top of that, 10,000 pounds. I've got a full armored Wrangler, so I want to have the extra weight and pulling capacity so I can safely get to wherever I need to go. We're going to get the box pulled apart. Alright, when you're first opening up the box, you have, looks like just a quick start guide to use for your winch. Wiring and tension instructions. There's a manual in here. You have your remote. This winch features a wireless and wired function. So it claims to, I believe, 50 meters away, so you can safely winch simply by just undoing that here. You have the wireless and wired option. Here's your 6 feet of cable. Rope for your hook. That's always good, so you can safely feed the cable out when you have it in free spool. Hardware for your winch ready bumper. Your forged hook, ground for your winch. These look like mounting brackets for your solenoid box, or onto the right hand side of your winch. So that's cool, it lets it be versatile. Oh, and here are the goodies. Here's your solenoid box. Like I said earlier, it's a sealed enclosure, so it's fully submersible. You have all your wires already hooked up to the solenoid, so this should be a fairly simple installation. Again, look forward to that video when it does come out. You have a rubber cap here to keep all dust, moisture away from when you do want to have the wired function for your winch. You also have your on and off switch for wireless mode. That's a nifty little feature. Your roller fair lead. Every winch has got to have a roller fair lead. Put that over here, away from the table. And then the piece of resistance. And what makes this box so ridiculously heavy is the winch itself. You have the free spool, you have the clutch here, free spool and engaged. So the cable is already wounded up, so you don't have to feed the wire through. So that's good. Unlike the back of your winch, you have labels that actually tell you where these wires will go. Each wire on your solenoid box is labeled A, B, C, and D. And on the back of the winch have the respective letter locations to where these wires should go. So wiring should be a breeze. So a fairly simple overview of the Smittybilt X2O 10,000 pound winch with steel cable. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be releasing an installation video again soon, so look forward to that. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe for more weekly Jeep videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. It's already round or wounded up, so you don't have to worry about trying to feed it in.
Synthetic?
No, this is cable.
You said synthetic.
Did I say synthetic?
Yep.
Oh shit.